4, 3, 2, 1. Go.
What's going on, guys? I fixed it in your face. Daniel, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for the information I provide. It's free. You can help me by doing those things. Before we get started here, we're going to give our channel sponsor a shout out, which is Josh is the CEO. He is a whatnot seller. Very, very cool. His team of people are very awesome. Basically, he sells shoes for a fraction of what retail MSRP would be. They are basically, I would consider kind of resellers. And they do a very good job. I have picked up a lot of merchandise from these guys. They keep my feet looking very, very fresh for a fraction of the price of MSRP. So if you guys are looking for a nice set of kicks to rock, I suggest checking out Josh and his crew. If you click on his link, it is a referral link. You will automatically get $10 towards your first purchase across the entire Whatnot app, regardless of whether you spend it with Josh or anybody else. You'll immediately get that $10 to get kicked off. But I promise you, if you guys check out Josh and bookmark all of his shows that he has, I think you'll be quite impressed. He does giveaways all the time. Super, super friendly, charismatic individual. His whole team are very, very friendly. I've bought a number of shoes from them now. He keeps my feet looking very fresh. Without further ado, let's get to the content. Okay guys, today's how-to is how to do a jewelry box. As you can see, I have my ruler down here that allows me to line up the numbers and center the piece right in the middle, as well as raise it up by putting it on the edge of the ruler so that the focal point stays the same. Remember to dial in your focal point using your shield so you can see how small the dot is. You do not have to remove the brass. It is not strong enough to actually brand onto the brass or into the brass, so you don't have to stress that. I have chosen my image. I have cropped it. I have tested my region. I'm sure you guys know how to get to your laser engraver, the software. The idea is to get the image to fit the size of the box. And so I've chosen my image. We're going to do a little Lilo and Stitch here. I will show you that my region is 100% dialed into the box on all edges. That is the nice thing about using a ruler. So there you go. And from here, I will hit next, and then we're going to use my power and speed flow chart that I created for this machine for you guys. And we're going to go down to pine or balsa wood image example drink coaster. So that will work for our needs. So we're going to go 30% power at 20% speed. So 30% power, 20% speed. And away we go. So as you guys can see, it is laying down some nice dark lines. And once it gets past her hair, because it's embedding into that wood right now, which is what we want, a deep engraving on her hair so that it stays nice and black. And then when it gets to the other portion of the settings, it'll speed through this because it won't have to lay such dark lines. But we definitely want that nice deep engraving, but not overdoing it to the point where it's exceeding outside of the wood and burning extra stuff. That's what a nice little fan is for. Keep the fan there, but not too close, because obviously you're burning wood. I'm not trying to create coals, but it is doing a very smooth engrave right now, which is what we want. We definitely want a smooth engrave. So, all right, I'll see you when this is done. And there you go. The image applied to the box came out perfect. Absolutely perfect. So I make custom jewelry boxes for people, and as you can see, that came out 100% flawless. And then on the top, it allows me to put their name up there if they want it. So that joins the jewelry box area. I make men's and women's. You can see I capture all of the detail in each one with perfection. I do men's and women's jewelry boxes, and there you go. All of these allow me, like I said, to put people's names on them, whatever. I buy them in bulk and then make them. I do plates, ceramics. I do pretty much everything. Mirrors, all of it. Cork, coasters, dice, pendants, aluminum, knife engraving, leather. I do it all here. But there you go. Perfection across the board. And that's how you laser engrave on light woods. Very light woods. This is very thin wood. So those settings that I gave you, those apply to thin wood settings.